Why aren't you finishing your lunch? Alright, I'm gonna stop putting snacks in your lunch. All you're gonna have is this in here. Ain't gonna be no extra snacks because all your snacks are gone, but you didn't eat this. That means you're not getting proper balanced nutrition. And as your parent, it is my responsibility to make sure that you get your proper balanced nutrition. All right, so as you can see, this is approximately 6 days worth of milk. I try to use as much as possible for her to drink, but once I fill up all my storage bottles, I have to bag some, and I'm trying not to bag as much because my supply is high, okay? And she be getting high off her own supply. But my pitchers have been cleaned. This one is 36 ounces, and this is 24. So what I'm gonna do is take the newer milk and start pouring that in there, and then I'll see what's left to bag because I've already bagged some and I'm already over bagging. So this is from today, but I started bagging the old milk first. And these glass jars came in a set of 6 with these lids. They hold about 16 ounces. Got them off of Amazon. Actually, all of these I got off of Amazon. This pitcher and the glass one. I usually let my milk stay in the fridge for about 8 to 10 days. And I always check and smell it and see if it's good. But there's 2 different associations or schools of thought, whatever, the people, the big people that say how long you're supposed to leave it in there. But I'm just going with the longest time because I want to be able to use as much of this milk as possible. So this is the oldest milk in there, 11.5. So I'm just going to put the lid in here. Give it a little swirl. Swirl, swirl, swirl. That mixes everything. And then I use this Sharpie chalk marker because it's black and it comes off easily. Still some water on top. And then I put the date, the oldest date of the pump milk in here. And then I also put when I want to use it by, or the latest date that I want to use it. So this milk, the latest date I want to use is the 15th, but it'll probably be gone for then. Like I said, I will keep it in the fridge for up to 10 days max, like 8 to 10 days, and then I'll bag it. But it doesn't last that long in the refrigerator. It gets drank up, especially in these pictures. This one. Give it a little shake to make sure the fat is all mixed up in there. You see the different layers of the milk. So you see that thin layer, that's the fore milk. A little thicker is the hind milk, and then up here is the fat. Oh, look at that. That's a good fat plug. Y'all see that? Y'all, let me see if I can get it to pour. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Yeah. That's what gives them the weight, makes them full, help them sleep. And I'm throwing this a little bit past the 24 mark. All right. So, same thing with this one. This lid has like a pour spout. Flip top lid. So the oldest milk was the 4th, right? Yes. So 11, 4, and then the latest I want this is 11, 14. So I'm gonna pour from this pitcher first when I do make her a bottle. So just have this left to bag. So I'll come back and show you everything that I bagged. So when you're bagging milk and put it in there, you want to squeeze down to get as much air out as possible. I don't use these bags, but this is what I have. Lance and all are my favorite. All right, and this is from 11.3. Oh wow, perfect. 2 more bags. Whew. All right, all of the milk is bagged and or in the pitchers. Updated, bottles are filled from that. Oh, this is not closed. That would have been bad. So far, I feel like I've spilled 9 ounces. Oh, I was so mad when that happened, but it was okay. I got more than enough. To this day, I've pumped over 3,000 ounces, and I've given away a few hundred. Yeah, I just don't have enough people to give away to, so. All right, let's see what we got. $17 6-ounce bags. What's the math on that? 102 ounces. Bagged. I think I did that right. I think I did that math right. What's 6 times 17? Yeah, 102 ounces bagged here. So that's like 2 days worth of milk-ish. So now I have to put it in the refrigerator or the freezer to freeze. It's not going to be the most perfect freeze. There's a learning curve with those bags, but I do have some bags that I need to put into bricks. So let me show y'all that. All right, so these are gallon Ziploc bags. I think this bag is full. There's maybe room for one more. And I try to keep the same month. I don't keep it ordered by day anymore because I just don't have the time. But here we go. See? Then you zip that up right nice. This one was already made. It just had some more room in there. And then you can lay that in your freezer. And I usually just keep it all in there until it gets full, and then I transfer it to the deep freezer. So let's make one together, or start one. So I just learned this with Ellery. I didn't do this with Harper, but you take one bag and put it at the bottom so it's flat, and then you can stack up other bags on top. And these are my favorite, the Lancino. I do like the Medela because they're thicker. I just like the slimness of these. And I think I'm about to fill this out. And this is just an extra bag from this brand that somebody gave me. Yeah. I'll just stick that in there. And sometimes some people lay one across the top. So there's that brick. And the last step in this process is to wash everything, because I'm gonna have to pump tonight, currently full, and I'm gonna have to pump tomorrow during the day. So I just put everything in these big bowls, one to wash, and then I rinse them, put them in there after I wash them so I can rinse them out.